everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to apply formula to an entire column or row without dragging by Kutools for Excel. All of the previous methods are to apply formulas to blank column or row. Sometimes you may need to apply the same formula to an entire column or row with data. How to process? You can try the Kutools for Excel's Operation Tools feature. Select the column or row that you will work with. In this case, I will select the column B. Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the More drop-down list and click on Operation. In the Operation Tools dialog box, select the Custom in the Operation box and enter your formula here. Open a bracket, put a question mark. It refers to the value in the corresponding cell. Times 5 minus 15 divided by 3. And if you check the create formulas option, the result will be in the form of formulas for each cell. And if the escape formula cells option is checked, the operation will escape and automatically ignore the formula cells in the selected range. Click the OK button and you can see the formula is applied to all the cells. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.